Hello. So I'm going to show you how to use the email widget today and all the bells and whistles. So first, click on the email widget icon over here in the sidebar. That will take you to the email modal. Now, the emails will then load in your screen. You see they load. I'm going to walk you through all the features. So let's look at this email right here. So this is an email from Matt, one of our users. And we were talking about, he requested getting suggested contacts to pop up. That way it's easier to send emails. And I was able to implement the fix. And he just got back to me saying, thanks for the update. Now, the first thing I'll show you, what I love is the create a task. So we made it incredibly easy to create a task from an email. So you click this create a task button. And as you can see, it has a drop-down panel with then here's what the task is. And it pulls the context of the email. You can then add the due date by selecting the due date here. You can put what list you want to put it on, right? You can even automatically add time to your calendar to tackle it if you want. Really is a very amazing, seamless feature. And then you click create task and it automatically gets added to your to-do list just like that. So that's the first feature I wanted to show you, the create task aspect, which for me, running my email on a daily basis, and I'm sure for everyone else, it really makes a big difference when you can easily create a task from an email and then reference it, as well as also immediately add it to your calendar. So you know a specific time slot in your calendar, that's the task you're focusing on. The next thing I want to show you is the auto drafts. So if you see right here, we have a draft pending, and that's that amber diamond. So if we click reply, we see over here the load AI draft. So we can click the load AI draft and you'll see draft that Alfred's already spun up in the background, automatically pops up. So all you have to do is review it and then click send if you want to send it. The next thing I want to show you is now let's say if we want to add more input to it. Well, there's a button down here called draft with Alfred. Now, if we click draft with Alfred, we can type in thanks, Matt, information, or let me know else. Don't hesitate to reach out. As you can see, we just inputted something for then Alfred to work and create a draft. Alfred's then pulling not only from the context of this specific email, but the context of this email thread. Also, was pulling from our style, tone, and preference of how we like to communicate too. So as you can see, this sounds a lot like me. Please don't hesitate to reach out. And just like that, drafts created that we can automatically send. So I just wanted to show you that's how you use Alfred, and that's how you use the email aspect. One more cool feature too to show you is since Alfred prioritizes being a multi-account application, you can toggle between your emails right here. So as you can see, I have 4 emails right here. I have my Gmail, then I have my support email, and then I just created this random account for testing out IMAP because there are a lot of users who use IMAP, and not many applications are very IMAP friendly, but we are IMAP friendly. So this is my my test account to practice to test on IMAP, the IMAP features. But yeah, that's Alfred. As you can see, it's very efficient using this email. And unlike other email providers, you can't extract tasks and then automatically add them to your calendar, manage them within your to-do list. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Bye.